As we celebrate this occasion with joy amid friends and family members, we are fully conscious of the fact that many families in our country are in a state of fear and anxiety on account of the many captives held by terrorists against their will, including those taken away after the tragic bombing of the Abuja-Kaduna rail. I have directed security agencies to ensure quick and safe recovery of all victims of kidnapping. I urge the railway management to immediately set up a situation room for the coordination of the rescue mission and for a minute-by-minute engagement with the families of the captives. This should ease their pain and anxiety as we push the military to finding a safe return to their families of all those victims. My aim is to see all those in captivity safely rescued. Let me assure Nigerians that the bandits are just pushing their luck, but this is only for a while before they are finally crushed.